we were playing, I think.
Oh, just do Found Yourself. So what? Fuck him. Start it. Waiting for host.
Hold on.
Oh my god, you can invite him after we start, dude. Come on.
Alright, gonna start.
You already know.
I'm so fancy.
Man, Asian boy, you're gonna sound weird on YouTube.
Huh?
You're gonna sound weird on YouTube.
Pick up flashlight. Hey, where's
Wait, which one's John? I'm the blondie, dude. I'm the only chick.
John?
Which one's
Okay,
John?
I got a blinking flashlight.
I got the fro.
How can I see
know.
out of that?
Alright, Jailbreak, we're in a game already.
Go, bitches, this way.
I am so Chinese.
I hear recorders.
Yep,
I
this
found
is-
one.
No, one of the things are here.
Such a clutcher.
Nice.
Such a clutcher.
Boy, invite me.
No, we're already in the game.
We're
All four of
already
us.
in the game.
All four of us.
Ah, Asian boy. So now you didn't want to play when I told you? Okay, faggot. Fuck you.
Sorry!
Sorry, Jailbreak.
Put
I'm
your
playing with
thing
better
in the
people.
middle. Fuck the sides. Put your game volume
Fuck
low.
the end. My
Fine,
game volume
fine,
is
fine.
a
No, you
Fellas.
follow.
Why am I in the
Oh
front?
fuck, that's scary!
How can I see out of that?
I'm fucking running. I'm fucking running.
Why? Why are you guys running?
Catch
so
you
I'm
Asian
gonna
Asian
get
boy's
ready
a
for
little
the track meet
about this
tomorrow.
game. Alright, I'm gonna go do the sticky bomb glitch.
Have fun.
Huh?
Oh shit, there's blood here.
Asian
You know
boy,
the
sorry.
are you on your period?
Come
Come on.
Fucking prick.
Yeah, I'm picking some blood. Come on.
Dude, let's get all the fucking tape through all the maps.
Nah, I feel like going that way. I feel like this way.
I might make a series out of this. I don't know.
Oh, come on. Get those million hits.
Playing here with Logic, Faggot, Johnny Boy, and Asian Boy that's a
Call
cheat
me
that
a
can't see
faggot.
shit.
Wow,
Only
fuck
faggot
you.
in here with bull hair.
I played with Asian boy and he got all scared and ran
Yeah,
away.
he's a little girl. He screams for everything.
I know.
Oh, cool. Another disc. I wanted,
and
John.
Logic?
You already had last one.
Me and Logic were playing and we were just like walking around. Asian
Chest
boy
pain. I have chest pain.
2 down. Let's go. I've played this map only a couple times. I haven't played it that often. The most I got on this map was 7.
Fucking Logic.
I've actually beat this one. I just forgot where all the pieces are at.
Dude, Asian boy got scared because he was in the back, so he started like running in front of Logic. He's like, I don't want to be in the back.
I don't want to be in the back.
I'm in the front. Oh, you guys are talking about? Let's see, there's red tape. I don't know if we should go past it.
Too
I
late.
always go past it.
We,
Personally,
yeah, we passed it.
Yeah, like 600 times.
And then we died.
No, fuck kind
Yeah,
of. Is
and then we
died.
died.
I'm surprised we haven't. Wait, John, have we went to the left side? No, we haven't went through here.
That's a wall. What the
There's another one through here.
Oh, there's a tape here, I think.
Yeah, no shit. Every room that you haven't been in, there's a fucking tape.
That guy's missing a head. These guys all have their heads.
Where is it?
Oh, this is Shadow. What the fuck?
That's a sign.
I don't
These are ancestors.
I don't even hear it. Usually you're supposed to hear it by now. Guess not.
Asian boys, are these your ancestors right here?
Terracotta. Terracotta warriors.
Maybe it's your ancestors.
Hey, see that? Who should
Oh,
I
hear
follow?
that.
Fuck. I'm fucking following John.
I don't
David's going
care.
a separate way.
YOLO if I have to.
Dead end, motherfucker.
John runs solo, okay? You should know that.
Yeah, but you got your little scaredy cats, Logic and Asian Boy. Oh my god, I can't run without them.
Dude, these bitches are like touching my dick.
I know, dude. They can't get off our. They
That's
can't get
the
off our
follow.
ass. You too, Logic. Oh my god, where did you go?
No.
I know, right? I was playing with them, they were all following me.
Dude, it should be me and John go one way and then Logic and Asian Boy go the
Hey,
other.
I call the front girly girl.
Yeah, we already
Stop
been
moving.
here.
Hey, pink headphones chick, stop moving.
I can't hear you. Headphones are on my head.
God damn it, I'm going this way then. I don't know why I can't run fast anymore. I feel
Asian boy, look who's running the
Run.
line.
Dude, Dude, Logic and Agent Boy, go find your own fucking path. I'm Romeo and
no, I'm
John.
scared.
Dude, you're a little fucking girl.
I wanna play some GTA.
Okay, good for
Go
you.
on.
Fuck you, dude.
Ain't nothing in this bitch.
I'm being nice, don't worry.
Asian boy didn't.
Oh, cool, we haven't been here.
Hey,
Candy
there's a new
canes.
room over
Hey.
here. Hell yeah. Ooh, candy canes.
And then I told Asian boy, I was like, Asian boy, let's play when I get home, and he's like, no, I'm fucking scared.
Oh yeah, we're all listening to you.
Who the hell does not put a piece of tape in a
What
fucking...
the fuck? There's usually there's usually one in here. John, okay, there's. Oh fuck that.
Hello, hi, how you
Run,
doing?
run.
Hey,
We gotta go through that doorway though. We gotta go through that doorway
Hey,
though.
who am I? That's fucked up.
That's Asian Boy all the way, dog. That's fucked
Bullhead
up.
Kid.
No.
Bullhead Kid. John, we gotta go left. There's one in there.
Well, he's right there.
No, he's not. He's this door, retard. This door over here.
Now you telling me I didn't see that hallway.
That's the hallway we went in first, but that's when we kept running faster.
Alright, I'll be back.
Where? I don't see him. I just saw a bright light and I don't know where he's at.
He always disappears when he goes to a new hallway. Only if he's in that one spot, there must be a tape over here somewhere.
There has to be a tape. Yep. Nope, that's just the place. Wait, there's two spots, left or right.
You go left, I'll go right.
Alright, when do you guys come with me? Either Asian Boy or Logic. When do you guys come with me?
I'll go solo, but he could go with him.
Who the fuck? Who's this kid?
Me.
Who are you, sir?
Don't go.
Yeah, not this way. We're not going that way. It has that green shit. I wish this game would be a little more interesting and like shut off everyone's lights for like 5 minutes and stuff.
Oh hell
No,
no.
we could do that. Everyone press X.
Oh, of course Asian Boy still has his light on. Little dipshit.
Everyone has to go through this room without their light.
Logic light.
Do I hear?
Wait, there's one here. There's one here.
I hear something.
It's right there,
I
John.
got it.
Alright, 3 down, 6 more to go. Dude, I have beat this one once only. It was on super hard. I just kept running.
This is on easy.
This is on your mom level.
It's on your mom level.
We've been here before.
It's that green shit to the left. Just keep going forward.
Oh, where are you going?
I'll go this way. I hear one.
Where the fuck are you guys, dude? You guys are fucking dipshits.
I'm next to a bunch of pots.
Alright, you know
That's
where
tape,
when
bro.
you turn to
Stuck
the
on
left?
a pot. Stuck on a pot.
Is there one in here?
Right.
Nah.
What the fuck? There's usually one in all the rooms.
I mean,
Sorry, John, but I leave, homie.
I don't run till I get heart pains. Heart pains.
blood on the floor.
Okay, that's nice.
Sorry, I peed. My bad.
Pee blood. I don't intend to pee blood, but I pee blood.
Maybe it's this way.
We been here?
Why am I?
Yeah, we've been
Why
here.
is the lights blinking?
Maybe it's
Because
this way.
it starts, it's like messes with your head, kind of.
What am I stuck on?
Dude, Logic Age Boy, get off our ass, dude.
That way.
Seriously.
I'm not. You're getting on my ass. Fuck.
Dude, I'm right behind John. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Who
No,
the
what are you
fuck just touched
talking
my
about? I've been behind them, literally.
I know you want his ass, okay? I know you're scared like a motherfucker.
No, I'm fucking scared.
Oh, fuck
oh,
that.
shit, I just saw something. I just saw something. Fuck. Where'd you guys go? You know, fuck it.
He's my nigga.
We gotta go in there, John.
Fucking dead.
Okay, he probably disappeared by now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Where the hell's that
Oh,
one flash place in the middle of nowhere?
I'll be still there. She's fucking still there.
Do you have to be a bitch like that, white person?
No, cause fucking what's Asian Boy standing right there is keeping them there.
Agent boy, look behind and just disappear already. Cause he went ghost.
Yeah.
Nope, he's still there because this bitch won't move.
What happened? Can't play. You guys are playing white noise. We gotta go back to
I'm
you.
fucking scared. You can fucking take my spot. Fuck.
Move
Oh,
over
let's go play
here!
Get over here, dude. He won't leave until you move, Asian Boy.
Nick, If you get off that
What?
game, I'll play GTA with you.
Fuck, I need to
Sure.
grab his dick.
Oh my god, Asian boy, either leave or do something. Oh my
Crap.
god.
Get your ass
Alright.
over here.
Wanna play GTA with me?
Thank you, fuck.
See, now he
Hey,
disappeared. That's all we needed.
Hey, invite me now.
I don't
You
care.
can't invite during game, I don't think.
I'm just kidding, I'm going to GTA. Let's go to GTA.
Wow, call me a fag. Do you need to do the money glitch? I already spent all my money. What? Jailbreak, you're lagging.
Nah, we've been here, John.
And we're back to Asian Boy's
But,
ancestors.
yo, but what are you? Wait,
Jailbreak. God damn
Wait,
it.
was there another room going the other way?
Check.
Asian, what?
Jailbreak.
Hold
I spent all
on.
the money.
Hold on.
Asian, what are you?
Quit fucking f***ing it. So fucking obvious.
I'm just muting both really quick because I don't want to hear the one we're playing.
Maybe this way.